Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my broccoli and cheese. A really simple dish, this one. Absolutely perfect little side dish for any occasion. Alright, enough of that, let's get on with it. So here I've got some really nice tasty cheese. I want the flavour of it, it's really nice and strong and bitey, and I'm going to grate up around about sort of 1 1/3 cups worth. Now, two ways to do this recipe. You can get 500 grams of broccoli, steam it until it's just cooked, or you can cheat the way I do and you just buy the frozen broccoli like I've done there, little florets. I'm just going to put that on some paper towel as well as spill it all over the bench. And remember, if you're a regular viewer, if you haven't spilled it on the bench, you are not doing it right. Alright, so I'm just going to let that defrost for around about 20 minutes to half an hour. It won't take long. In the meantime, let's make our sauce. Alright, I'm going to go around about 50 grams of butter, putting that straight into a saucepan. I'm going to melt that down. Alright, just nice and slow. We don't want to burn it. A little bit of herbage. That's just a little bit of mixed herbs. A little bit of whatever you like. You could use thyme, you could use oregano, parsley, whatever you like. Whatever herbs you like. Just throw a little bit of that in. And I'd probably also give that a good little pinch of salt. Okay, now I'm going to add in around about 1/4 cup of plain flour. That's going to go in, and we're going to make a roux. So all we have to do is stir all of that through, and we're going to cook that flour out for around about a minute or so. As you can see, everything's starting to thicken up already. Right, and if you haven't tried making your own bechamel or cheese type sauce before, it's not that hard. Okay, if I can do it, you can do it. So just keep stirring that through for a little bit. Cook that flour out just to get rid of that flour taste, and I'm going to start adding in a little bit of cream. I do like to use cream in my creamy sauces because it just is so much richer. So just put a little bit of cream in, give that a stir through until it starts to thicken up again, and we're going to repeat this process over and over again. So just a little bit of cream, keep stirring that through, and in total we're probably going to end up using around about 2 cups worth of either cream or milk. You can use milk if you wish. It'll be a little bit less expensive. So I'm just going to show you this in real time to show you how easy this is to make. Right, I'm going to swap out now for a little bit of milk. So I'm combining milk and cream together, and you can use as much or little and whatever percentage you want of cream and milk, or just cream altogether. Just it's your personal preference. I prefer just a bit of a half and half. Makes the sauce just a little bit lighter. So as it starts to thicken up, give that a stir through, and look, don't worry if some lumps occur. We're going to get rid of that. So here I've got around about that 1 1/3 cups worth of cheese, and I'm just going to put that in, give that a quick stir through, and keep an eye out for any lumps. And if we do get the lumps, we're going to switch over to the whisk and get rid of that. As you can see, that sauce is really starting to thicken up. It doesn't take long to make this at all. Now add in just a little pinch of nutmeg. Okay, just like that, and that's going to give this a really nice flavour. So arrange your cauliflower, whether you've got the whole cauliflower, steamed it and cut it up into florets like I have, or used the frozen broccoli. Just arrange those in some nice little dishes like these. Okay, really nice and simple. Make them all standing up, and make sure the top foliage is pointing upwards. We want to get a little bit of crust on those. It's the best flavour in the world. Alright, so all of our bits of broccoli are in, and I'm just going to ladle over some of that beautiful cheese sauce that we've just made. Right, just spoon that over, just like that. Now my oven is already sitting at around about 190 degrees, going a little bit hotter on this particular cook, because I want that toastiness on top. I want that little bit of a crisp. I want a little bit of a caramelized effect on top. I'll put those on a tray with a bit of baking paper. As you can see, they have overflowed. I'm going to cover those with foil, and I'm going to cook those off for around about 30 minutes or so. I'm just going to cover those 30 minutes. They're going to steam away. That sauce is going to make its way down to the bottom, and once we have done that, we're going to bring them back out. Okay, just like that, nice and careful. That tray is going to be hot. We're going to remove that foil on the top, just nice and carefully. As you can see, we've got a little bit of stickage there, but don't worry about that, because we're going to add more cheese. Alright, so just a little bit of cheese straight on top, just like that. And these are already smelling amazing. Now that broccoli is around about 90% cooked now. We're just going to finish it off and get a real nice bit of toastage and on the top, just as you would want. Alright, so they're going to go back into the oven, uncovered, for around about another 5 to 10 minutes. And if you want to use the salamander to really get that toastiness on top, do that. But there you go. How good do they look, and how easy was that to make? To be honest with you, really inexpensive. It's only going to cost you a couple of bucks for the cauliflower and a couple of bucks for a bit of cheese. I'm going to put a bit of crushed pistachio on top, just for a little bit of extra crunch and flavour. And there you go. You've got KP's broccoli and cheese. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really nice little easy side dish just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to eat my broccoli cheese, and I will catch you next time. Bye.